Hey guys, it's Miss Hazel here, and today we are going to work on identifying equivalent fractions. Huh, what do you think it means if fractions are equivalent to each other? Alright, so if you look at the words equivalent and another word that we use when comparing equal, you notice that they both begin with EQ. Equivalent is another way of saying something is equal or something is the same. Is the same. Okay, so I have some fraction strips down here, which are like the things that we made at West End, but right now they're in your desks, all lonely, wondering where you went. Okay, anyway, moving on. This one tells us that we have one whole, okay? One whole. So our fraction for one whole is 1, just like this, right? Because our denominator tells us how many parts are in a whole and how many of those parts we have go in our numerator. One whole. Now, let's get some more. Whoops, my bad. We have 1/2 now. I wonder if we can find fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. Oh, I know. How many fourths are equivalent to 1/2? Good. 2 fourths. So 1/2 is equivalent to how many fourths? 2 fourths. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if we can try this with sixths. My bad. Okay, so see how sixths aren't our sixths there, sorry, that's hard to say, aren't equivalent to 1/4 because we look at these lines here. Right, these solid lines here tell us when the fraction ends. That's like, see how 1/2 lines up with this guy here? It's 2 fourths because we have 1, 2 fourths. Now let's see if we can find how many sixths are equal to 1/2. Why don't you guess? All right, let's see if you're right. All right, 3 sixths are equivalent to 1/2 and 2 fourths. How many sixths? 3 sixths. So which number goes in our denominator? My bad. Woo. Right, 6 goes in our... So when we have 3 sixths, 6 goes in our denominator because that's how many parts we have in the whole. And our whole are 3 sixths. And I just gave it away. 3 sixths. So 3 sixths also equal 1/2. How many fourths are equivalent to 3 sixths? 1, 2. Perfect. 2 fourths. Okay? We're going to continue working with this tomorrow. Good job, mathematicians. We will continue our work tomorrow.